Hi, in this video I'll show you how to convert an image into pixel art.
Now with the advent of artificial intelligence, everyone can create amazing art
From a text description.
I have created this stunning hot warrior babe myself. Now let's create pixel art from this image.
To pixelate any picture for free, go to this website.
Click on examples to see what result you can expect to achieve.
The default usage is the reduction of the number of pixels.
By changing the color palette, you can achieve interesting effects such as sepia or grayscale an image. If you are a developer, take a look at the documentation. There is also information on the API.
To pixelate an image, click on the Try It button
And select an image.
To change the strength of the pixelation, change the block size with the slider until you are happy. The result will be displayed immediately in the lower area. Convert the image to a grayscale photo. Activate this checkbox. Activate the palette option and then select a predefined color palette from the drop-down menu.
But first, I change the image size so that the preview is no longer truncated.
You can easily change the style of the pixel art using the different color swatches. Play with the settings until you are satisfied with the result.
You can also create a custom color palette, but I won't go into that as it's outside the scope of this video tutorial.
If you are happy with the result, press the download image button. This was how to pixelate pictures online for free. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.